as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree challenge makeup look, so I'm excited, and let's get started. So I don't think I've ever done my eyebrows fully on camera, but I already filled them in because the eyebrows take a long time, so let's get started. So I have so much Dollar Tree products that I found. It's like a treasure. Let me know in the comments down below the stuff that is at your Dollar Tree, and yeah. So we're gonna get started with the L.A. Colors Conceal Correct. This one camouflages redness, like if you have like redness on your face, like little rashes or like a pimple, this will camouflage it and it looks like this. So I'm going to be using that. This thing actually looks really cool, so let me try getting it right now. There we go. Cool. So this product looks like this. It looks pretty cool. I like the packaging. It looks awesome. So it looks like that. So slowly. Using this slowly. Got mine here. Yeah, I'm gonna use it sideways like this. Beauty blender sponge thingy that I got as well, which looks like this. Cool. Using this bad boy. Really cool. It's gonna brighten your skin. It brightens skin and dullness like that, and it's called Yellow. Looks like that. Awesome sauce. I really like that they have like different ones. When I saw it, I grabbed it. I'm like, snatch. This one is the same exact wand thing. You don't want to like twist and pull really hard because you're gonna like get it everywhere. This is actually perfect. This is really good to cover up like any dark circles that you have. So, and I'm gonna use my index finger or my ring finger to blend it in. Also, I'm going to carve the brow too, so it looks like I just did some coloring like in a coloring book, which is pretty cool. I like this makeup a lot so far. Not to sideways go like that. So I'm gonna use my ring finger or the index, whatever is easier. I'm just going to lightly, like super light. The stuff is really smooth. I'm like, wait, something bad. Foundation. So the foundation that I picked up is the LA Colors Liquid Makeup. It's like in a pump. It's actually really cute. I love it. I opened it already because when I filmed it for the first time, I messed up because the lighting was way too bright and all this other crap. So it looks like that. This stuff is cool. So I'm going to take it on the back of my hand and just pump it out. Probably need a lot. Who knows? We shall see how this goes. Because I'm kind of scared. I hope I don't look like a ghost. Oh my god. Looks so freaking weird, dude. I'm gonna use my large concealer brush by Wet n Wild. That looks like this. It might do more justice than the Beauty Blender. So I'm just like, oh my god, epic fail. Let's go. Yeah, way better. It blends it in way better. Scared of help. This is crazy. I thought, you know, maybe, but it's okay. This is crazy, really crazy. Obviously. I do have to add more foundation. So I'm going to add more foundation. Probably shouldn't have even added it. The green, but whatever. We'll work with it. So I'm adding more foundation on the back of my hand, obviously. This is so crazy. So scared. Might as well put some foundation under this. Since I'm gonna be, I'm shaking. Since I'm gonna be doing obviously eyeshadow too. Yeah, it's crazy. What? This is like the weirdest color of foundation I've ever had on my face, but then again, it's like pretty at the same time, guys. It's crazy. Challenge is interesting, but I'll work with it. Even if it looks bad right now. Okay. This brush is really soft though. It's really soft. That's what I like about it. So that is the finished look for the foundation. Now, guys, so of course I have the L.A. Colors Conceal Correct, and this is a highlighter, a really pretty highlighter, as you can see. Highlighter on my up above my cheekbones, just to give me shimmer. Putting it down my bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and right here too, because I like a lot of highlighters. I'm a highlighter person. Comment down below in the description box, in the comments, if you are a highlighter person like me, because I like a lot of highlighter, but not too much. So I'm gonna smear it with my ring finger. Same thing with the bridge of my nose. There you have it. Thank you so much for being patient. I love you guys so much. Bye.